channel CoolZie TV. Okay, so today we will do another unboxing video with the product that I recently purchased online on my local store. Okay, so like usual, so we just go through the unboxing process from the beginning to the end. Okay, so just keep remember this only for the unboxing video, and on how I use the product and how good the product I will share on another video. Or because if I share to you everything here, it will be going to be a long video, so it's not really comfortable for you guys. Okay, so this video only for you to experience the unboxing moment during I unboxing this product. Okay, what's product? This product actually is a new monitor, PC monitor for your computer. Is a brand from Samsung. Alright, and recently purchased for my studio. Because right now I am grading my studio for my business and others. Okay, so let's see what inside. Okay, here we go. This is the product. This is the product that I recently purchased online. Okay, actually it's a Samsung LED monitor. Okay, as you can see, it's really big. It's 24 inches long, wide. Okay, so and this is the product. Okay, so let's see clearer. Okay, as you can see here, there's a lot of this is RPS, and it's for the borderless series design, which means there's no really slim border. Okay, and it says AMD FreeSync 75 Hz correct refresh rate, and we have the game mode, and we have the easy safe mode, and also flicker free. Okay, you can see here. All right. Okay, so this is this is how it look like in the if you zoom in. Okay, so other than that, also I get some really notes from the seller. All right, it's really good. Satisfied with our service. Leave us a review. Okay, and also this receipt here. Okay, receipt here. Alright, the price is around, in my Malaysia ringgit, is 441. The product is 439, but if you add some shipping cost, is 441 ringgit 30 cent. So maybe around in dollar, I can assume around $100 or $120 USD. Okay, so you can see at your local online store how much it is. But today we just unboxing how good it is, so we'll go through another video. Okay, so let's open. Alright, I really read the packaging just now because the seller really put a lot of effort to make sure it deliver me in a well condition, because I'm pretty sure recently not got a shipping issue and others, so they put a lot of bubble wrap, so I really like it. I will definitely give 5 stars to that seller. Okay, and because they earn it. Okay, and really fast. Actually, today I shooting on the 23rd of February. I'm shooting this video because I purchased recently on the 21st. I purchased on 21st February. Okay, so let's see. Hold on. Okay, so this is the monitor. Okay, right. So let's see what inside. Wow. So this is really big compared to my that I own right now. I own only 70 inches. Now it's only 24 inches. It's really big. Okay, so actually why I buy Samsung, because right now also I'm using a Samsung monitor. I already use it for more than around maybe 8 or 9 years. So it's really worked well. So I really satisfied with the monitor from the Samsung. That's why I purchased another one. Okay, so this is the wow, this is the LCD. Wow, it's really nice. It's really borderless. Almost you will not see the border here. Okay. Wow. Oh, I'm really excited to start to use it. It's really light. Okay, because I purchased really the lightest one, because I want to mount it is on the double arm mounted. Call it desk mounted. Okay, you can see here. There's a lot of 4. We call it the already set up the screw for your mounted for your arm, for your computer, for your for your desk. Okay, so this is it. Okay, alright, really good. Okay, what you have here, you have the, you call it the, alright, this is the stand. Okay, this is the stand for your, this PC you want to put it on your table. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Yeah. Okay. Alright, here is, you know, this is, oh yes, this is the mounted. Okay, alright, so okay, here is the, alright, okay, so this is the leg. This is the leg. Maybe I don't know how to call it. It's quite just a leg, or maybe the stand for the monitor. It's really big because the PC also really big. The monitor also really big. Okay, and here is all the cable that you need. Okay, you see it? Alright. Okay. They give you one HDMI cable. Yes, got another one HDMI cable here. Okay. So how to mount it? Maybe like we can make it, because the stainless is really easy to attach it. I don't know how. Okay, but let's figure it now. Okay, so a lot of screw here. Okay, you can stand here like this. Okay, and you put your PC here lah. Okay, but it's a lot of screwdriver stuff, and got a lot of, I think maybe a lot of work here, but it's okay. So I just finished my video here. So this is all the unboxing product. Okay, so this is the PC, and this is the stand, and this is the, we call it the another stand, and also this is all the cable. Alright. Okay guys, okay. Alright, okay, I hope so you enjoy this video. A video is really normal. Alright, but I'll just try my best to share my experience with you guys, and hopefully you enjoy, and you can leave any comment about this product. Maybe you purchase it already, or maybe you want to purchase something, want to purchase in future, we don't know. Alright, okay, so how good it is, I will show to you guys later on another video. Okay, before we leave, so don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.